Hi everyone, it's Sorkin. Today we have a problem when we are given an array num and the target. So what we need to do is we need to in num find two variables that are in sum equals to our target and return the not the values but return the indexes of those values. And by requirement we have exactly one solution. So for example, in this case the target is equals to 13, right? And we have two numbers, 2 and 11, which in sum gives us 13. So we are returning 0 and the 2, which are the indexes of the 2 and the 11. So how we are going to solve this problem? To solve this problem, we are using a hash map or dictionary in case of the Python. So what we do is we are going over our array and we are, for example, in this case for the 2, right? So we are 13 minus 2. We are looking in our dictionary whether or not we have that. So we have that complement in our dictionary. So for example, the first one we are 13 minus 2 gives us 11. So we are checking in dictionary. It's not in the dictionary. So we are adding 2 with the value with the index of 0. So the next one again for the 7. So 13 minus 7, we are checking that do we have in our dictionary that the complement that we are looking. So that remaining part that would give us our target. No, we don't have 6. So now we are going to the next one. The next one is 11. So 13 minus 11 gives us what? Gives us 2. So we are checking in our dictionary. Do we have 2? Yes, we have 2. So 13 minus 11 gives us 2. So we are checking in our dictionary. Do we have 2? Yes, we have 2. And the index of it is 0. So we are returning 2 indexes. So we are returning the current index in that case. And we are returning the index of the complement. So for example, in this case, we are returning 0. And so we are returning 0 and 2. If we cannot find, then in that case, we are just returning an empty result. So what's the time and space complexity of this solution? The time complexity in this solution is of n, because we are going over our array in the worst case scenario once, and the space complexity is also of n because we are creating a dictionary. We are in the worst case scenario, the size of it would be of n. If let's say that all values are unique and we cannot find our target. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you like my content. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.